Hello everyone! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinay Food Trip. My name is Marlene. So today we're going to cook another delicious food. Pero kasama ko ngayon si Gemma. Siya po ang magluluto today para sa atin. So, let's start! So, anong lulutuin natin?
Ginataang glutinous rice.
Oh, okay. Glutinous rice. So, ano ang mga ingredients natin?
Glutinous rice, I make it
Circle.
a circle. Then I have a fresh langka.
Fresh langka.
And sagu. So this is a sagu. I cook it already. And
One kind of coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Then brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
So she put the coconut milk first. So we're gonna broil the coconut milk. So ilalagay na po niya ang
Langka.
langka. So, ayan na. Kumukulo na siya.
Langka. Kulo na.
So haluin na muna po niya ang so ilalagay niya na ngayon ang
Sugar.
brown sugar. Ayan. That looks good.
Not much
Not
because
much.
I don't like sweet.
3 spoon, right?
Yeah, 3 spoon.
So hahaluin muna natin ang kanyang coconut
Ang
milk.
lapo.
So this is like a dessert. Ginataang langka.
Okay, lutuin mo muna natin yung yung
5
langka.
minutes. So let's cook it for 5 minutes. Shout out pala sa aming friend na si Ate Norma. Happy birthday today! So we're gonna add the sago. Ano ang tawag niya sa English?
Tapioca.
Tapioca. Just small size of tapioca. So we're adding tapioca. Nice. So let's mix
Looks
it.
good now.
Mix. Looking good. Ayan yung ginawa niya na glutinous rice. She molded like in a circle. Okay. So she's gonna put the glutinous rice. Isa-isa lang. And then let's mix it. Yummy!
Very rich.
Sarap na. Very rich and creamy.
Yeah, creamy.
Ako? Ano naman ang diet natin ito?
Wala na, sira ng diet.
Sira na naman ang diet natin ito. Mga minutes pa para we're gonna wait.
Till maluto na yung glutinous rice.
Glutinous rice. Okay. Mga siguro 5 more minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Oh yeah, 10 minutes. Sabi ni ng chef. So we're gonna add a little bit of water kasi masyado siyang malapot. It's too creamy.
Creamy.
Yeah. We're just gonna put a little bit just to broke the creaminess of the coconut milk.
Okay, that's it.
Because it's too creamy and very sticky. So we just add a little bit of water. So ayan, tatakpan ulit natin. And let's wait for... That looks... Sarap na, masarap.
Talap lang.
Ano sa tingin mo, malapit na kaya yan?
Malapit na, 5 minutes.
5 more minutes, okay.
Lagi tayo nagpa 5 minutes.
5 minutes more. So, ayan. Luto na po siya ang ginataang bilo-bilo. It's so creamy and very rich flavor. Look at that.
Smell good.
Smells good too. So, ayan. Let's try and taste it. Ay, wait. Medyo mainit talaga siya.
Init.
Okay. Tignan ko na. Oh my God. Ang sarap!
Yummy.
What's my name? Nalimutan ko yung pangalan ko tuloy. Ayan po yung bilo-bilo na.
Hindi masyadong matamis.
So, para sa akin, for me, yung sweetness is good. Enough na.
I-try nyo guys, masarap.
Sarap. Okay guys, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at Pinay Food Trip. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Stay home and be
Stay
safe. Stay safe.